step kabasok bat kabmanya pi paro kani kadi DD News Meghalaya bang pedang snopaya pi shktu KHUBOR jangi mentak step shwabangnya pa shki KHUBOR ki babnya ngnya petrai ki mat ki bakongsan kring ketamasa sok turun ke Meghalaya New Delhi in pen klan ka Meghalaya banyale persya ig jengkai masitu hakaput ka food court ha umling ka long ban penrung kerteng yakinong jengok kai ong ushira Bad yakendu Ujay Shankar bad Menteri Kambari ke Oman ban penklan ya kejing terailang. Mentangnya Pashwa Shaki KHUBOR na kejela. Menteri Rangba Kejela u Konrad ke Sangma ula pelipat ba ya ka Meghalaya Pineapple Festival ke pasau ha Delhi Hat New Delhi ban kring ni pin inam yu usok turun Kejela ka riti ke dostur bat ke jing persyang kinong rap Kejela kinong sengkam bat kinong nong ruai nong put nong tem Kejela Menteri ke Sorkar Pedeng u Jyoti Raditya Sindhya ula ong ba kanika tamasa ka pen phalang ya ke jing temu vocal for local local for global. Bat ulaya ro egajing persyang kinong rap bat kinong sengkam. Ulaong baka Meghalaya kala dep shalan hadu shispa metric ton usok turun hakeleng ke berthai bat penbena egajing temu ban bu yakashlam ban kintiu yakuru kompenyan. Hakasin jam ke bakrau ban kintiu yakayau kahat ka company Flipkart kalaya soy ya ke MOU bat ka Meghalaya State Agricultural Marketing Board banla ban penya so ikinong rap shekinong thiet hakeleng kari India
Our endeavor, sir, I want to share with you has really been to connect our farmers, our entrepreneurs, our self-help groups to the market throughout the country. The kind of potential that we have in not just the state of Meghalaya, but in the entire region of the Northeast. This potential needs to be unlocked, and this potential needs to be shared and presented to the rest of the country. The demand has always been there, but it has been the overall connect, the outreach, and in enabling the different stakeholders to come together has been really one of the major challenges. So while we started off with the Pineapple Festival, today you will see that there are different products, whether turmeric products that are produced in Meghalaya, or the different spices, the black pepper that we have, the different other fruits that we grow, all of the different aspects and different entrepreneurs are here today.
We have a tremendous capability for entrepreneurship. The capability of cultivating pineapple has grown by leaps and bounds in the last decade in Meghalaya. 12,000 hectares in every sector of the state, from the East Garo Hills to Ribhoi, to Khasi, to Jantia Hills, all are full of pineapple farming. Close to 12,000 hectares. 1.4 lakh metric tons of production. And what I have really appreciated in this enterprise is the way the government has worked with all our farmers and our farmer producing organizations, our FPOs. Whether it is our MLAM program, whether it is our CM Farm program, Meghalaya's organic mission, setting a target of 1 lakh hectares to be under cultivation in the next couple of years, affecting close to the livelihood of close to 90,000 farmers across the state.
Kejila Meghalaya kan penklan bantik lakam ye kejing kayi tu masi haki kaput India Bangladesh da kabaseng ye ki kinhun tere bekerpang banseng ye ki jaka talasi haki jaka bajur kakam kayi tu masi ban pentamai yaka nakabenta ka standard operating procedure ban pet bat penyat ye ki masih balkurum Kani karai lashim haka jingalang balapinlong da Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister Ubasan Bor Shulai bat kinong tere ka Border Security Force balayalam da Inspector General Jong ka Meghalaya Frontier. Ka sorkar kalikentu ya ka BSF ban penklan ya ka jingpet ngor hagi jaka kaput ban penkloy ban pendap ya ka jing kerput ban ai ya ka jingtep ba company ya ki jaka bompat dap ker uput usam knam ba enla ban pendap no ya ki.
Yes, a few days ago, there are news we have seen in the social media accusing the rampant illegal trading of cattle. So immediately, I have written to the IGBSF, Mr. Upadhyaya G, and subsequently today we had a meeting with the IG of BSF, his team and the veterinary department, and we had a very good discussion. And here we are having 5 point that we have discussed. And we are also having a notification also we have discussed, publish the notification, draft of the notification is here according to the rules of the veterinary, and that also we have discussed, and we have requested the authority of the BSF to intensify the checking.
Menteri ke Sorkar Jilla Ubasan Bor Shulai ulapin rem ya ka Voice of the People Party namar ke jing persha ya ka jingwan Menteri rangba ke Assam ha jing lekniam be den klam da ka baong bakan ni ke jing persha ka VPP ka dei ke basngau ja buram ba ka ba omla ban pediang Uba Shulai ulaong ba usarma uwan ha ka ni ke jing lekniam kum unong sha khot sngoba jong ka senran omba uwan banyakren halor ka kam ya ka japut Habakado baki beriu ki dan ka hok ban ra ya kinuki mat badan kam henrei ula ong baka jing persha ya ka jingwan kum unong sha khot sngob ha ka long ka bom ya ham.
On other deputy chief minister, local MLA, we are all together. But I feel so funny that they allege that Hemanta Biswa Sarma should solve the boundary issue and the party they have opposed the visit of Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sarma, Chief Minister of Assam, as a chief guest for this great festival of the Panar community, which is not connected with the border issue. The Sindrai, Joy, they have invited him to visit, to witness the greatest festival of the Panar Beniklam as a chief guest. So to publish this kind of protest regarding his visit to the chief minister, we feel so shy, we feel funny.
Menteri Ketenat kam jengokai pertai Utameti di Shira ulaong baka jing terwa ban penyeng ya ka food court ha umling ka long ban kershani ka sorkar ha jing penurung ya ki kerteng kinongwan jengokai ka balatmu ban penterekam hapok ka jing terwa ka Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act วัดลากันนี้กระดังคำชิมปอร์กะจิงดอนจงกิจักาบามบัดกิเวปัดกิจิงเตบันเป็นสุกยกินองวันจงอไกเปิดเทงกันนี้กะจิงเกรนจงอูกะละวันฮัดเดียนบักคาซี Students Union กะละเป็นสังเกยกะจิงเตฮักติกะจักาดักบะบันจูร์บักเดบันเป็นตรายกำชวายกิเซียนจามมันเตะละกำยากะจิงวันรงเบียน
Our plan is to make it a facility center plus this one registrations of the tourists, and we have in our plan we have provided at least 2 rooms for doing this official work, say registering the tourists, and at a time we say our registration some time will be taken, so in that time you see whatever they have to spend waiting for the registration, they can enjoy at the same time. So we are providing the facilities for this like a restaurant. It will be a tourist registration center. Many people may be coming to do something. So in order to check their intention, whether they are coming as a tourist with whole intention, or they are coming in the guise of tourists, say, to do some harm. That is necessary for us. Whether it actually is a genuine residents of India or from other countries having a proper document or no.
Kipulit ke East Khasi Hills kilakentu yakino ki bangat haga jing shatle be ijat ha usamla bani Mizoram bakin mi shakmat bon ujor. Uba dangsan kriem SP City ula ong ba kidang yo jing ujor tangkaway halai mkra police station haga nyotorik unai tung halor kanika jingja kat ba unong syak keno udang petre kipulit ke jela kidang ya trelang bat kipulit ke Mizoram ban thwet ya uni usamla bat kila pentikna ba yakane ka kam in seshim kya.
An FIR has been filed in Limkra PS. It was filed on the 7th of July 2026, and all action has been taken by the police side, and as of right now the alleged accused is absconding, and we are on the job on it to try and find the alleged accused. As of right now we are in touch with our counterparts from Mizoram Police. We are in touch with Mizoram Police, so we are trying our level best to try and find the location of the absconding alleged accused. We have not exactly reached out to the parents of the alleged accused, but as of right now, since the alleged accused is absconding, we are trying to our level best to find the location of him. Yes, it is quite serious. We are taking it seriously as well from our side. So that's it. That's all I can say right now.
Unong yalam bashipor ka Garoland State Movement Committee ubalkarin CH Marak ulalat na patok na Juwai hinin kasngi hadin shispa prasngi halor ka jingdawa jang u baki kirtong bayakun ya ka GHADC election ki de bandan ya ka Sernot Scheduled Tribe hadin ba ulay yomi umarak ulaay kuble yikinong kirshan bad ulaong bakani ka jingyaki ka long banyada ya ka hong bat ka jing mentoy ki pad ba ka Garo Hills bat kinokma ulapen pauru kajing sngongu yakitu ki bladon ringkat pat u hakapor ba udan hakajing sya set patong bat ki bala kershan yakate kajing dawa ka National People's Party Motion Road Block kala penlong ya kajing yalang pat ba hayaw riangdo ban pan kajing kershan nakabenta u kertong jongka u Dr. DRL Nonglan hak election shitang samoy halok sabha habakran hakadi kajing yalang u menteri ka sarkar jilla u ba wailat miki shila ulapen pa ba ka sarkar kala shim ya ka sienjam haki kampen roy ha motion road bat pentikna ban tre shitom nakabenta ka bha kamyat jongki pat ba ulakan tui kinong tap vote ban jet bha bat kerpat ban don ka jingya karen jingya selok hapreng ki pat ba bat ka sarkar khnang ban la ban weng ki jing e bat ki jing o jing nam
ngalapit pnia ngalapit songdor ngaladok ngalatheu ngalawo bat penhap sawal ba yang digin prekam jong kani ka sarkar ke pemerintah banganut banong Bagay ka sorkar kabatri kam. Ka sorkar kinyan ka medical college, ka engineering college, but ki wayne ki kam development, ki surat, but ki scheme, ki prepare ban kan piu, ki sanla but ki long kami, ki long pa. Ki parari ba ye, kabang idang kam kalong, manang penyat saprang, ye ki jing temu, jong ka sorkar, da kabawang syakmat, banyat ho ye ki jing jong pi. Bat banyat relang, bat ka sorkar. Palba bat ki parari, aba pidang ki jing wang syakmat, amdaye hakadur, jong ka jing penye ko. Handai wang syakmat, banyat ho ye ki jing
Kajingyalang ki he kihan ba ay jing syakri hakalyang kanet wong kalalang ha office da dengre civil subdivision banyak keren halor kajing thot ba jingduna kanet wong bat internet hakathan ya kajingyalang lapinya da MLA urupa marang bat la shimentaru da ki officer ki seng bhalang kinok mas bat kinong tray ka BSNL Jio bat ka Vodafone Idea umarak uloong bagi nong song kilamat jing na ka jing du network kabalani hadu shipos ngi bat kalakta ikinong tray MGNREGA bat ki kena school ka company penyat network kilapan por shibanai ban penbet yakani ka jing mentang nya pai shiki kubor nakathan shatay lammi ngi Menteri rang ba ka Assam Uhimanta Biswa Sarma ulaong bakamang tingka kaba arlak prapusan hajar prapusaw klur tingka nakabenta usnam arhajar arpunrio arpunyo kadai bomdon jingdu nong ni yo nong ni ka revenue neutral namar ka jingyo baka jinglot kalong marengkan ulaong baka ni kamang tingka katmu nakabenta ka thong ka BJP nakabenta kayo kamyo jam ka jingpin kup bor hikintay karap karyang bat ke jing penyaso boarding. Menteri rang ba ulakran halor ke jing kiu ke jing penlut bat ulapin pena nrio hajar klur na kabenta ki skim penbha penmian. Kamang tingka bakin thupru yaka shihajar arspa klur tingka na kabenta ke jing penyat boarding da ke jing kirshan ke Japan International Cooperation Agency lanijika ke jing pentre kam da ke AI hai kitna tre kam ke sarkar bat kalat ban kershan ki dukan sha da ke bapelan ya ke jing siau khajna mentangnya pai shiki kubor na keleng ke pertai Menteri Rang Bakduk Kari Narendra Modi bat Menteri Rang Bakduk Kari New Zealand Christopher Luxon kila penlong ya kajing yakran hapdeng ki kenhun nong yalam ha Auckland kabalong kajing le jingo kabaning kong Menteri Rang Bakduk Kari sha New Zealand ha ki South Coast nam Luxon ulaong bakani kajing wan jingo kalong kum umau mer ha ka history jong kajing yadai ki arteli kiri bat ulaban joru halor kajing kiyo shapang haki jinga keren chaprang haki jinga keren halor ke jinga khayi ulaong begini ki arteli kiri ken ya trelang bantau ki rukom trekam baklan ban penyar ya ke jinga trelang haki babon ki benta om tang ha free trade agreement Menteri Ketenat Kambari kari India Dr. S. J. Shankar ulaya kendu ya Menteri Kambari ke Oman Badr bin Hamad Al Busaidi Hamaskat hen kasngi ban ya keren halor kilenti ban penklan ya kajingya day hapdeng kini ki artili kiri kajingya keden kalong nakabenta ka khayi pateng ka kambay tingka pa kajingya tray lang hakikam duriaw ki jing penyaso bat ki bor yada ka cyber security bat ki AI Ujay Shankar ulaong baka jing yakren ka wanra ya ka jing shania ha ka jing klan jang ka jing aday ka India bat ka Oman kat ba u AI Busaidi ulakren halor ka jing aday ka balaslam ha ki kam duriaw bat ka jing atray lang ban pentikna ban don ka jing laj luoj ha ka jing ya jing yang gi jihad ha ka Strait of Hormuz. President ke US Donald Trump hinin kasngi ula ong baka Washington baka Tehran kila menjur ban beteng ya ka jing keren wat la ka jing ken ad kala nang jur biang henrei ula penpena baka jing te kular sange yasiat kala kut. Kani ka jing keren jong u ka wan hadin shitayo bala khie biang ka jing ken an bakin thop ka jing sha thombor ki jihad khayi ha Strait of Hormuz baka jing yasiat bakin thop ya ki thong ka US baki Iran. Kinong keren ya suk jong ka than ki dang beteng ya ki sin jam ban te la kam ya ka jing ken an ban ban wat iki rai ni ki jing pen bet ka bane halor ka ni ka jing ken an. Mentangin niya pa si KHUBOR ya lekay. Ka second East and West Khasi Hills District Inter-Office Futsal Tournament 2018 Rio bala pelong da kamairang Officers Club kalas dang hinin kasngi ha Vincent Futsal Ground hati pedang pendeng umyong ha kabala shim benta da arpuwe teli ki ken huan le kai ki shin rang bat prateli ki ken huan yale kai ki ken thei na bonteli ki tanat rekam ba pher ka sarkar. Hakasgi sedang jong kani ka jingle kai ka Kinhuan District Sports Officer and Subdivisional School Education Officer kala penliam ya ka Deputy Commissioner's Office A da ar lanon kat baka District Basin Office Mairang kala job solid ya ka District Child Protection Unit da ar laikol la ar hakajing kun ka bajuat. Timentapan nganya pe ikajing long jingman ka sun beneng hakeleng ki benta jong ka jela. Hatura kajing kreat kalong 40 degree Celsius bar kajing shit kalong 50 degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka haw kalong nyoput nyaw na kashispa kajing hapslap kalong kandai milimeter. Habapai pat shanong ba shalong kajing kreat kalong 40 degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka haw kalong nyopo kandai na kashispa kajing hapslap kalong lai milimeter. Kat baha jawai pan kajing kreat kalong kat kandai degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka haw kalong prapaw na kashispa kajing hapslap kalong milimeter. Kandon kajing hapslap bajur ba kajing tiad upatat haki babon ki jaka hatura shilong bajawai. Syabangin poy syaka bakut jang katup KHUBOR nginya pet biang sa sisin ikimat kim kongsan. Kring ketamasa sok turun ke Meghalaya dan New Delhi. En penklan ka Meghalaya banyale persya ya ka jingkai masitu hakapu. Ka food court ha umling ka long ban penrong kertengi kinong jngok kai ong ushira. Bat yakin do SJ Shankar bat Menteri Kambari ke Oman bat penklan ya ke jingat relang. Tiparlok katungila poy siya kapag jang katup KHUBOR jangi mentakastap hadop bangin daya siyembiang bat pi la shibit ka janmiet kublay pi baro.